What's up, guys? Big Al right here. What I'm doing this video for, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to zero gap the new 1919 100-year edition of Wahl. Guys, I just got this machine 2 days ago. Bought it for myself. I'm going to do a review on. This is not my review. First thing I didn't like about it, I love the way it looks. It's a beautiful machine. Feels good in your hand. It cuts great. The motor feels extremely strong. I like that it charges quick. I love the big handle on it. See the big handle right here? The switch is different. The handle's kind of stiff at first, but once you get it going, it's not bad at all. Great machine. The only thing I don't like about it, you can't zero gap it. That's as close as you can close. You can't not zero gap this machine for whatever reason. So I did my research on it. I looked up on YouTube, and of course, like anybody else, that's how you get to know what you got to do. I found out a way to zero gap it. So this is what I'm going to show you guys right now. I'm going to show you guys a quick way. It's simple, so easy. I can't believe that it's a solution this easy. Okay, so check it out. Okay, so in order to zero gap this machine, what you need to do is you need to have another machine, an old machine, okay? This little bracket right here, this is a bracket where the screws screw into, okay? This bracket is held on by 2 slots right here and a screw that goes on through the handle. So this bracket has to be different. The bracket that they put on this one is the same bracket that they put on a senior, a regular gray senior. So you have to have an old machine that is a Wahl, long as it's a 5-star or a Sterling, anything that's zero gap will work, okay? So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go to my boneyard and look for a machine. So if you're a barber like myself, you've already been in the business for a while, or even you youngsters, if you guys don't have a boneyard because you guys are just getting started, ask one of the senior barbers in your barbershop. Every senior barber will have a boneyard. My boneyard is right here in this cupboard over here. I'm going to take you guys over to it right now. I'm going to show you, pull it out for you. I'll show you guys what my boneyard looks like. And I know I'll have a machine in there where I can find that part that I need so I can swap it out. And that little slot right there is going to allow you to zero gap your blade. Okay, so hold on. Let me show you guys. Okay, guys. So I'm right here. Lower this machine. Sorry if it's a little dirty, but this is my boneyard right here, all right? Excuse the way it looks. It's a little messy. Have some supplies on here. But this is basically my boneyard. I've already been in the business for a while. Let me show you guys. So this is my boneyard. This is where I keep like different machines that I've retired or not used anymore. They actually, look at this. I got two seniors in there. This is a Sterling. This is just different machines that I've used already that I don't. So that's my boneyard. Whenever I need spare parts, that's where I go. So this is a Sterling. This is what we're gonna use right here. This machine zero gaps, and what we need this bracket right here. So look in the boneyard. Now I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do with it. Okay, guys, so here we are again, okay? So this is our 100 edition, and this is the machine that I'm going to take off. I'm going to take the Sterling, okay? So this is a zero gap machine that I've used in the past, and of course, like I've already taken switches off of it and stuff like that. So this is in the boneyard already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off this screw first. Take this off, put it right here, and then we're going to take off the blade. Take off a screw, put it right here. And you're gonna, the thing you need to do is make sure you save the screws, because these certain screws will screw in to the bracket that you're gonna need. Take off your blade, and this is the bracket you're gonna need right here, okay? Oops, sorry about that. Hold on. Okay, so this is a bracket you're going to need right here, okay? So you're going to take this bracket and put it right here, okay? Now, you're going to come over to your new machine, okay? Take it off the same thing. Take it off, same way. Oops, a little more. Okay, oops. Make sure you keep this all together, okay, guys? And this goes on here, okay? So it's this, the handle comes off the same way as the other one, okay? Once you take that off, then you're gonna take off your blade. Same thing. Take off your blade, save your screws. Okay? Those screws are gonna belong to this bracket. They're not interchangeable. So don't think that they are, okay? Put those blade I'm gonna put right here because I'm gonna use the same blade, okay? Now you remove this bracket. Now, let me show you before I put the other bracket on. This is the old bracket from the zero gap, and this is a bracket from the new machine. See the difference? This one has a hole in it, this one doesn't. I don't know why that hole makes a difference, but that does not allow it to get zero gap. So we're gonna put the blade, we're gonna put this the same hand, the same I don't know what you call this thing, but the bracket goes in there, slides in the same. Once again, here we go. This is the bracket. This is the old bracket, okay? This one has a circle, so that's no good. We're gonna put this one, and this is a new one. This is the one we got. Well, actually, not the new one. We got the one we got from our boneyard. So we're gonna put that bracket in there. Line up the screw. Put our handle back in. Handle gets screwed back in. Make sure there's a little bracket that goes lined up with that lever right there. It has to go in there because if it doesn't go in there, then it will not hold. Okay, so there we go. Stiff, yes. Okay, then we're gonna grab our blade, put our blade back on, and we're gonna use the screws that we took off from this bracket, guys. Not from the old, from the new, these, remember these screws were from this bracket. They will not fit. Now you just tighten it back up. And now, Shazam, you can zero gap it as close as you want. Let's say about right there. About right there, zero gapped. See that? Right there. It allows you to zero gap it and close it up. Now you're zero gapped. That simple. Now, you can put this other stuff back on your boneyard, or you can put it back together, or do whatever you want with it. All right, guys, that's it. That's all it takes to zero gap your machine. Look at this. I got it all the way down, closed. I didn't like this machine the first day I got it, only because when I was fading, I could tell it was in zero gap, and it bothered me. But other than that, it's a great machine. It sounds good, feels good. I mean, it's well constructed. It's beautiful. It cuts like butter. I left the same. Instead of putting my old zero gap machine blade on there, which they're different. They're like a surgical blade. They're flatter. This is what you call the bevel blade. I like bevel blades. I like fading with bevel blades. I don't know, for some reason they feel smooth. So now that I zero gapped it, it's working a lot better. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope it comes in helpful for you guys. It's that simple to just change this machine around. You know, check in your boneyard, and I'm sure you have an old machine there, or you know, or take it off one of your Magics, or take it off somewhere else. But this machine is a great machine, but the only thing that's wrong with it is it's not zero gap. So that I found the solution for it, and I just want to share with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hey guys, you guys have any comments, any questions? Make sure you guys leave it below in the comments. Please subscribe. If you guys are watching my videos, hey, I encourage you guys to subscribe. I got a lot of tutorials going to be coming out, and I'm vlogging every day. I share my experiences as a barbershop owner and a master barber, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you guys later.